Hi, boys and girls. Miss Vallejo here again. Um, Today, I'm going to talk to you about making your writing more exciting and interesting, right? Because you don't want your writing to be boring and then nobody's going to want to read it. So, today we're going to talk about a few different things. Hoy vamos a hablar acerca de cómo hacer la escritura que ustedes han hecho más interesante para que no sea aburrida, ¿ok? Porque nadie quiere leer una escritura que es aburrida. Okay, so we're going to talk about adding adjectives, usando adjetivos, adding descriptive words, palabras que describen, and showing, not telling. So, mostrando, no diciendo. And so if you're thinking like, what is Ms. Vallejo talking about? I'm going to show you an example from one of our readings that we did. So in the Rosa Parks story, we fight for the right to vote. She does a really good job here of describing. So esta parte en esta historia de Rosa Parks explica muy bien aquí en lugar de nomás muy sencillo, nomás una oración muy sencilla. Usa muchas palabras para describir esta persona. So I'm looking right here at this paragraph where it says, the driver who put me off was a mean one. Now, she could have just stopped there, right? She could have just said the driver was a mean one. He was mean. Punto. Final, right? Que era malo. Era feo. Yeah. But no, she kept going, right? So that we can get a mental image of what is happening and what this person looks like. So, usó más palabras para describir cómo se mira esta persona y así podemos imaginar en la mente esta situación. So she goes on to say he was tall and thick-set, thick, grueso, with an intimidating posture. His skin was rough-looking, and he had a mole near his mouth. He treated everyone black badly. Okay, so do you see all this description that she put there? So, todas estas palabras para describir a este señor. So that's kind of what we're going to practice doing this week. Es lo mismo que vamos a hacer esta semana. And so let me go out of here, and you're actually going to use a writing that you did last week in week 6. Week 6. Semana 6, el día lunes hicieron una escritura, surprise narrative, narrativo de sorpresa. So, van a abrir esta escritura otra vez y la van a revisar. You're going to go back, open it, and revise. You're going to make it better. If you did not do it, then you're going to do it on a piece of paper and do it better. Si no lo han hecho, van a sacar una hoja de papel y lo van a escribir y lo van a hacer mejor, okay? And this is actually what you will be doing in small groups with Ms. Morales and Mr. Osorio and Ms. Sorto, okay? So, necesitan que tener esta escritura hecha antes de ir a los grupos pequeños. So, if you haven't done it, do it now. Si no lo han hecho, háganlo ahorita. Puede ser nomás en una hoja de papel. Just write it out, okay? Anyways, so I'm going to go to mine that I had. Hopefully I can find, yes, right here. So, let me just go back a little bit so you can kind of remember what in the world this was, right? So, remember we wrote about a surprise. Who or what surprised you? You know, I had you answer all these questions. And then you wrote a paragraph, right? So, escribieron acerca de una sorpresa. ¿Quién los sorprendió? ¿Dónde? Si sabían si era sorpresa o no, blah, 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 right? So this was my paragraph. This was my first draft. Sorry, I'm trying to move my face there. There we go. So I'm going to read it. Again, my husband gave me a big surprise in Austin one day a few years ago. We were in a place called Mount Bonell. We were taking a picture, and then all of a sudden, he got down on one knee and asked me to marry him with the ring. I was so surprised and nervous because I do not like surprises. I asked him why he picked that place, and he said that he liked it. I said yes, and we got married a few months later. Austin will be a special place for us. Okay. So voy para atrás y voy a tratar de revisar este párrafo para hacerlo más interesante y así para que el lector pueda imaginar estas imágenes mejor. So I'm going to make it better, right? So it's more exciting and so your mental images can be a little bit better. Okay, so I'm gonna start. I mean, this is just my introduction sentence, so I'm gonna leave it there. We were in a place called Mount Bonell. Okay, and I pulled up a picture because this place is in Austin. So if you haven't been to Austin, you can see it right here. It's high. There's like a little lake. I'm trying to see another one. You can see another one right here. There was one. These, you have to go up a lot of steps. You see all these steps, so it's because it's high up. So we had to climb all these steps first to get up to it with all these trees. And then when we were there, up high is yeah, so I was looking for this one. Something kind of like this is what happened, okay? So now I have to think about how can I describe that, okay? ¿Cómo puedo describir esto, incluirlo en mi escritura? So let me go back to my writing. Okay, we were in a place called Mount Bonell, so I need to be more, I need to describe this better. Tengo que describir ese lugar mejor porque ya sé que muchos de ustedes tal vez no saben, no conocen ese lugar, in case you don't know. So I'm going to put, we walked up a long flight of stairs with huge trees on each side. So, estoy escribiendo los escalones que teníamos árboles en los dos lados para llegar a este punto que estaba muy alto. So, we had to go up this long flight of stairs with huge trees on each side to get to the place. Once we arrived at the place, we were high up, almost like on a cliff with a blue lake below us, with a blue lake surrounded by houses and trees below us. Trees. Oops. Ooh. Okay. And again, here's the picture so you can see trees, lake, cliff. Okay. So I think I got most of that in my writing now. Oops, I'm sorry, guys. So hopefully you can see that in your head better. So ojalá estas oraciones ayudan a describir el lugar mejor y así lo pueden imaginar un poco mejor, más claro. Okay, so we walked up a huge flight of stairs with huge trees to get up to the place. Once we arrived at the place, we were high up, almost like on a cliff, with a blue lake surrounded by houses and trees below us. We were taking a picture, and then all of a sudden, he got on one knee and asked me to marry him with the ring. Okay, I was surprised and nervous because I do not like surprises. Okay, so this is pretty basic here. I was surprised and nervous, que estaba sorprendida y nerviosa. So, ¿cómo puedo escribir eso? How can I really like show that? ¿Cómo puedo mostrar eso? Well, I was surprised because I remember I was like this the whole time. Estuve así, con los ojos bien grandes y las manos aquí cubriendo mi boca porque estaba tan sorprendida. So I'm going to add that to here. My eyes were, what do you call that? Like, my eyes were enlarged and my hands covered my mouth with shock. Right? So I was like, oh, así, right? Porque así es una reacción cuando estás sorprendida. So that's your reaction. That was my reaction. My eyes got big and my hands kind of covered and I was kind of just like frozen, right? Oh, I can write that. I was frozen. I was frozen with surprise, right? So I was like, congelada, right? And no me moví. All right, so I like that. I think that helps. And I asked when he picked the ring. I said yes, and we got married a few months later. So now I added more description to my paragraph. So hopefully the mental image is better now. That little movie you should have going, and you understand it better. And then hopefully it's a little bit more exciting also. So ya incluí estas oraciones para hacer la escritura más interesante y para ayudar con esas imágenes que deben de tener en la cabeza cuando están leyendo. Okay, so you're gonna do the same thing. Like I said, you're gonna do this in small groups with Ms. Morales, Mr. Osorio, and Ms. Sorto. And then I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do. I've been wanting you guys to record yourselves, but Flipgrid didn't really work out. So what I want y'all to do, and this says Thursday, but really whenever you're done with it, if you're done with a small group, you can go in here and do it. So there's a video here on show not tell in your writing, and it says you will work on rewriting your surprise narrative with Ms. Morales and Mr. Osorio. Be sure to show and not tell. After you rewrite your narrative, you will record yourself reading your narrative to us on here. You will listen and watch each other's recording and answer one of the sentence starters. And you're probably like saying, well, how do I record myself, Ms. Vallejo? ¿Cómo me grabo? I'm about to show you. Right here. So you click like you're going to comment, right? Okay. Como si voy a escribir algo aquí. Click. And then do you see the little microphone? Aquí hay un micrófono que es para grabarse. So click on it. You can do just audio. So si no más quieren grabar la voz de usted leyendo, okay. O audio and video. I think, you know why I think it won't let me? Because I'm using the camera right now. So you would go there and you'd go ahead and record yourself, but it won't let me because I'm already using the camera. So I can't use it 2 times. Okay. So I'm just going to try. Okay, so again, click, microphone. I'm going to go to same thing. Won't let me. Hopefully it'll let you. Let me know if it does not. And so you're going to record yourself, put it on there. And then when you're done, go back and watch other people's, right? So cuando ustedes ya terminen de grabar, ustedes leyendo el narrativo, entonces van a ir para atrás y van a ver los videos de sus compañeros. Y van a escoger uno de estos para completar usando el video que miraron. So you can say, oh, I learned that you hate surprises in your narrative. I learned that you go to Austin in your narrative. I liked the words that you were frozen helped me imagine that. That really helped me. Eso me ayudó a imaginarme eso. Okay? So that is it, guys, and I can't wait to read your narratives. Bye.